In today's interconnected world, where digital technology powers almost every aspect of our lives, cybersecurity has become a critical concern. Nowhere is this more evident than in a country as digitally vibrant as India. India, with its rapidly growing economy and expanding digital infrastructure, is increasingly reliant on technology for business, communication, and governance. However, this digital transformation also brings with it significant cybersecurity challenges. Cyber threats are on the rise, with hackers and cyber criminals constantly evolving their tactics to exploit vulnerabilities in systems and networks. From data breaches and financial fraud to ransomware attacks and identity theft, the consequences of cyber attacks can be devastating for individuals, businesses, and the nation as a whole. India's need for cybersecurity is more urgent than ever. With the increasing digitization of critical infrastructure, such as banking, healthcare, and energy, protecting against cyber threats is essential to safeguarding national security and economic stability. The Indian government has recognized the importance of cybersecurity and has taken several initiatives to enhance cyber resilience across the country. From the establishment of CERT-In to the implementation of the National Cybersecurity Policy, efforts are underway to strengthen India's cybersecurity posture. Despite these efforts, cyber threats continue to pose significant challenges. According to recent reports, India has witnessed a sharp increase in cybercrimes, including phishing attacks, malware infections, and online scams. This highlights the urgent need for greater cybersecurity awareness and preparedness. Education and awareness are key to mitigating cyber risks. By empowering individuals, businesses, and government agencies with the knowledge and skills to identify and respond to cyber threats, we can create a more secure digital ecosystem. Investing in cybersecurity infrastructure and technology is also crucial. From deploying advanced threat detection systems to implementing robust encryption protocols, proactive measures can help detect and mitigate cyber threats before they cause harm.